one in Japan. We are in Tokyo. We were supposed to explore Asakusa and go on a free walking tour, but it was cancelled because of the rain, so we decided to go to this closest mom and pop shop for breakfast. I ordered a Katsu don and my husband ordered Japanese curry, and it was the perfect day one meal. We then came across Don Quixote and we had to check it out, and I came across so many Sakura related items. Look at the wall of sunscreens over here. This is like my dream come true. Got a matcha latte while we wait for JR office to open. By the time we got to the JR office to pick up our Japan Rail Pass tickets, there was already an hour worth of line, and we got here 10 minutes after the opening. We took our time and reserved all the seats for our 3-week trip. We were traveling with oversized luggage to multiple destinations. We just wanted to get this out of the way. So we made our way to Sushiro, which is a famous sushi train. We waited more than an hour to get into this place, and this is when we were hit with the reality that everything in Japan requires a wait time. They had iPads to order and everything was so easy, and the food was amazing. We ordered about 25 plates of sushi and every single dish was delicious. All of our plans were ruined because of the rain, so we decided to hit up a Uniqlo, and it was so cold. I did not expect Japan to be that cold in March, so I got some heat thermal leggings and a couple of other things, and I was able to claim the tax back at the same time. After shopping, we came back to Shinjuku and joined Tokyo localized free walking tour. This is the Shinjuku night walking tour. The tour guide did an amazing job showing us Shinjuku. At the end of the tour, you tip the guide based on how much you think the experience was worth. For dinner, we went to Kyoto Ramen in Shinjuku. This ramen was so thick, it gave me a heartburn. That is it for day one. Follow me for day 2 vlog, what I spent in a day videos, and Japan travel tips.